Today, I am going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 18, Test 3, the Writing Task 1, the formal letter. You recently bought some train tickets for a journey a week in advance. When you went to the station to catch the train, you were told you could not use the tickets and the staff were very unhelpful to you. Write a letter to the train company. In your letter, describe the problem you had with the tickets and say why you were unhappy with the staff. Suggest what action the train company could take and begin your letter as follows. Dear Sir or Madam. This 150-word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Begin your letter with Dear Sir or Madam. In para 1, mention the purpose of this letter. In para 2, describe the problem you had with the tickets. In para 3, say why you were unhappy with the staff. In para 4, suggest what action the company should take. In para 5, summarize the letter and then end with Yours faithfully, Amedi Bado. The following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Sir or Madam, I am writing in relation to a ticket that I purchased for a train ride to Lyon. Last week, I had booked a ticket from your online portal for today. Upon arrival at the station this morning, I was told by your company's train attendant that he was not aware that the portal existed and disallowed me from boarding. Upon requesting him to inquire with his supervisor, he refused to do so and once again denied having knowledge of any online booking facility related to his company and ordered me to deboard the train. As a result of this unpleasant event, I missed the meeting that I had with my accountant in Lyon. I now request you to take suitable action against this train's attendant so that such an incident does not reoccur. I am leaving this letter at your complaints desk. I hope you receive it in order. Yours faithfully, Amedi Bado.